Okay, Marilyn brought us some party favor.
Party favor!
So that's how
I only have one earring.
Oh, what happened?
Tita Desiree. Tita Emmy.
No, this is for you guys. I have my
I'm not gonna.
You've got to be in. You have to wear that.
Here's my camera.
Happy for you.
Let's go take a picture.
I learned from... Wala bang ano? Wala bang ano?
Okay.
Wala ba tayo yung ano? Tripod?
Tita Boots.
There's a timer. May timer yan.
Timer for what? Yeah.
What does everybody have one?
Saan? Okay. Maganda naman ang hydrangeas mo.
Oo nga eh. Naiinggit ako sa hydrangeas mo.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Okay, here.